How is it only 11:30 in the morning? Did you wipe your butt?
Hayden spit on me.
Hayden, don't spit on your sister.
Could I spit on him?
No, no spitting. Nobody's spitting.
I didn't spit. No. I farted.
Excuse me.
Excuse you!
You already had a snack. You cannot have cookies for breakfast, dude. No more cookies after this. It's breakfast time. Mommy doesn't feel like moving her legs right now at all. Today is Saturday. It's a day for sadding. Guys, my mood ring is purple. That means you better not try me.
Snack.
No snacks. Why?
Can I fart on you by accident?
No, you cannot fart on me by accident.
On purpose?
Neither.
And it was so awesome on the big slide.
I'm sorry, what did you say? I actually fell asleep with my eyes open.
Pee in the toilet all by myself.
How is it only 11:34?
Can I smell your farts?
What?
Can I smell your farts?